Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times in the past, so that's where that green line annotation down there is coming from. But I am definitely going to adjust that level up now that we have more data. And what I would call definitely the ideal level of support that you want to see hold, or I should probably say continue to hold, because it's already been tested on several situations. But that's this area right here. And there's been no doubt about it. This movement has made a very, very impressive move. But after price movements make, big upward surges like that, it's always a little bit sketchy in the sense of, all right, is this going to totally roll back over, especially when the price starts to go down? But no, it didn't roll back over and go back to where it started. It started to build that higher base. And again, quote unquote, the higher base being right there at the $2.85 mark. So that is certainly a very important level of support going into next week. The good news is, though, that, given that the price closed at 330, it's not like the price is even close to, violating it or anything like that. But nonetheless, that is still going to be a very important level to watch, next week. So 285, preferably speaking, if the price could stay up there above the $3 mark, that would be even better. But don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 3, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that above 3, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. First key level of resistance to watch, if there is any sort of bounce back to the upside right here at the 335 mark. You can see several occasions now there rejected the price, struggled, and then once again this afternoon right around that area. So that's definitely been a thorn in the side of the bulls. If the price can push through the 335 mark, next key overall level after that would be right up there at $3.50. So 335, 350, two of the key battlegrounds going forward from the resistance side of things. All in all, though, like I started off the video saying, given how explosive the move was earlier on in the week, and that the price was ultimately able to maintain those gains and not give them all back where the price goes back to, $2 or something crazy like that. Good to see that the price is chipping away with that higher base. So let's see if the price can continue on with that going forward or not.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.